Alright, welcome back to Perkins Garage. Got something happening today. Well, I already helped my dad get his car out. Now I gotta get my car on my trailer. Because I'm taking it to go get exhaust on Monday. I want to do it today because we got shitty weather coming in tomorrow, which would be Sunday. And first things first. These trailers are awesome. Alright, here we go. Damn near 80 degrees today. I think today's April 15th. And tomorrow it's a high of like 50. And we're supposed to get thunderstorms and then into into Sunday night, we're supposed to drop down into the 30s, and it's supposed to snow. So, anyway, just yeah, you know, Wisconsin weather. You want warm weather, just and it's freezing out, just blink and it'll be warm again. And you want cold weather when it's hot, just blink and it'll be cold again. So, I'm gonna pull this out and then wait for my dad to get here to load up the car. Alright, going to get the car on the trailer. Here, hold on to this.
Both got to go this way a little bit.
Alright, there we have it. Got the car loaded up. Strapped down. I'm going to put a tarp over it because it's supposed to rain. But, well, not that I need it because I got a new windshield. Finally. So, that'll do it for today. Next time you guys hear this car, it'll have new exhaust on it. It'll sound like it should. So, alright, see you later.